flashing. I keep it 100 on the dash now that we got us some traction. Slick talker, I'm a showstopper, you are not solid. Tread cautious, couldn't go a mile in my toe boxes. Stun a shade with the Visine, light it up to bring the vibe in. Lime tint, color spot beam on me, I'm a star every night lit, ultraviolet. Ayy, I told her make sure that phone is on silent so we knowin' what the vibe is. Take a look at my iris, I think she know that I'm high risk.
What's going on, everyone? It's King Tuts Pro. Welcome back to another Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial. In today's video, I want to show you my newly released color grading LUTs pack for music videos. Link is going to be in the description of this video. It's going to be at the top so you guys can take a look. It will mean a lot if you guys end up purchasing the pack. It does support the channel and it helps me continue making videos for you guys. So there's 20 different music video LUTs. They're all inspired by music videos that I've looked at for the past month or so. So for this to really work, you would have to, of course, kind of tweak the colors a little bit in your video. And then the color grade goes on top of that for the final look, more of like the cherry on top look. These are M1 compatible, which is really cool. So once you've opened up Final Cut Pro, you want to import your music video. So I'm going to go over to the effects. You're going to go down to color, and then you're going to go down to custom LUT. Now, the custom LUT will only appear if you have 10.4 or above, I believe, in Final Cut Pro 10 at least. So if you have an older version of that, this may not show up. But again, do your own research to make sure that the LUT is compatible with your version of Final Cut Pro. So if you do have this, it's very easy to use. You just click and drag the custom LUT effect, which is already built into Final Cut Pro 10. So you just drag this on your music video. Once you have color corrected it, right? I mean, if this was flat, like, directly out of the camera, it's not going to look the best. So you just kind of want to tweak the colors by going over to the color inspector tab here, going to like saturation or color, adjusting the colors here, maybe increasing the saturation and the midtones. Once we've done that, we're going to go over to the custom LUT. You should see a LUT right here. So go next to where it says none. I've already imported the folder, so you'll have a list of all of the LUTs here. But if you haven't imported any, or if you've already done so, you might have a list here. So just go over to choose custom LUT, and this will open up a window. Go over to the folder. So go ahead and select all of them and click open. I've already done that. I don't want to do that again. So it will just pop up in here. Then all you got to do is just go through the list to find the LUT that you think looks the best for your type of look and feel. So we can go through and see what they look like. We have Atlanta. These are not really inspired by the city. I just gave them a name. So if I go through here and I push play, this is what it would look like. So this is before and after with the LUT. You can then change the mix. If you think the strength is too much, you can bring it down here, or you can just type in 0.50 for 50%. I'm going to go 100 and change the LUT to maybe Baltimore. So this is going to look like a little bit different here. So here's before and after. Very cool. We can go with the Baton Rouge. I think that's how you say it. If not, I'm not from Louisiana, so please let me know if I butchered the name. So this one's really cool because this one allows you to kind of bring up the reds. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Go to the effects, go to color, add the custom LUT effects, then go back to the LUT and choose a LUT from the list. So we can go with Boston. So this is what it would look like. So here's a before and after. This one has been slightly color graded. I'm just showing you guys what it would look like if you just, made some tweaks with the color. But of course, it's not going to look 100%, right? Because, the music videos are already slightly color graded, but it's just to give you guys an idea. So here we have Charlotte, which is honestly my favorite LUT from this whole entire pack. So you can do Charlotte Sky LUT, and then you can bring it down if you think it's too much. So again, you kind of want to go with a LUT that matches the look and feel of the overall video. You can do Dallas. We can go with Denver here. Again, you can bring down the mix if you think it's too much. And then we can do like Houston here, or we can do Illinois, or Illinois, however you want to say that. We have Los Angeles here. This one's called Burn by Juice WRLD. Same thing, just go over to the effects and add that LUT. And then you can change the look. So I'm going to go like maybe here. Here's Seattle. This one really fits the Juice WRLD theme. A lot of his music videos are kind of purplish, so you can maybe bring that up and see what it looks like. This one affects more of the skin tones and more of the highlights, as you can see. So you can see if your video has a lot of bright areas, you definitely want to use the Seattle Sky LUT, or maybe even Portland for more of a kind of more washed out look. And you can do Phoenix, really beautiful LUT here. And we have Los Angeles. I think we've already gone through that one. as Los Angeles is being destroyed. So anyways, we do have that one. Like I said again, you want to tweak the colors first before adding the LUT. The LUT doesn't do everything for you, of course. Be sure to check out the website. Link is in the description, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace out.